This is our factory building, with the office area at the front and the production workshop at the back. Let's take a look at our office area together. These are some equipment delivery cases we've completed. Reaction type equipment, separation type equipment. These are some equipment delivery cases we've completed. These are our company and product certifications. Sandy design of equipment, simulation, calculation and optimization. Let's take a look at some of the equipment we manufacture. This unit consists of 3 reactors connected in series and is primarily used in the pharmaceutical industry for producing pharmaceutical intermediates. This includes compressors and control systems, with comprehensive protective measures in place. This unit is used for producing hydrogen gas. Once seawater enters the equipment, a reaction occurs, producing hydrogen gas. This unit is a distillation apparatus featuring a multifunctional design. It can effectively separate light components and is equipped with a vacuum pump. Raw materials area. Continuous distillation test facility for electronic-grade chemicals. Multifunctional stainless steel continuous batch distillation laboratory apparatus. Multi-tower series continuous distillation setup. Atmospheric vacuum glass distillation apparatus. Constant pressure distillation stainless steel distillation apparatus.